Well, I am finally back on the board. Ooh, piece of flint right over here. Piece of flint. Shit. Looks odd. I'm back anyway. I'm gonna walk around for a second, see what else I might can find. I have found a couple little. Let me go check out what this stuff is out here real quick. You see that? This is what I got to look through. Come down over here, back over there. I don't know if you can see my stick or not. That's a big chunk of something. So much to look through, and you got the cotton, the stalks, the rocks. It rained about 1.5 inches this morning, I think, in about 30 minutes to an hour. I mean, the bottom just dropped out. And I figured I'd come to my field, and I was coming back here, and I was like, man, I hope I don't get stuck. I made it here. So, this is what I have showing. And it seems to be all there. It's got one little neck right there. Look at that color though. Where's the sun? Back over there somewhere. I don't know if you can see how translucent that is. Find a good spot. I can't tell if you can see it being translucent or not, but man, that thing is, I can see through all of it. Man, that is such a pretty point. One little ding right there. Well, numero uno. Maybe, and I found a couple brokes, but nothing like that. Alright, maybe I'll find another one. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.